Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today I'm at the Pioneer Park and I'll be hiking the Mine Hill. Let's go. The trail starts with a huge and free parking lot. You have bathrooms over there and the trail right there. So there's a lot more snow here. So I figure it's going to be slippery. We'll see. Today's a nice day. It's around 10 degrees Celsius at the moment. I just missed it, but I wanted to take a picture or a video. There was a bunny in the woods and it was as huge as a cat. It was a big one. This short trail is in Saint-Donat, which is part of the Laurentian area in Quebec. Most of the trails in Quebec are closed for the melting season, we call it, to protect the trails so we don't sink in and make postholing and, destroy the trails while it's all muddy. So I cannot hike everywhere. It's hard to find trails that are opened, but they should all open around mid-May, the end of May. Depending on the season, this trail has snowshoeing, hiking, fat biking, skiing, so you can do a lot of things here. There's a lot of different trails here and it goes from one side to the other, so make sure to look because I just skipped one and have to go back now. So this is the trail that I had to take, which goes up the hill. It's still pretty icy, so be careful or put spikes on because it's slippery. To be honest, this trail is confusing. It's hard not to fall into the bike trails, so you always end up into one. I don't know what to do, but today is Thursday morning and there's no one here. But if you come during the weekends or depending when you come, just be aware and be careful because bikes can come and they come fast. Today's pretty good because the snow is still very hard, so I'm not sinking at all. It's a good idea to download the map on All Trails or Gaia, so that way you won't do like I did and you won't go the wrong way. It's pretty easy when you look at it after, but make sure to do it. This section is pretty restricted, so don't go past these roads because you're not allowed. But there's a point of view right here. Pretty amazing. And that's what you get. So you have a nice view of the mine right here. That's pretty cool. So if you want to go here, you stay on the path, you stay right there because it's a restricted area. And if you want to fly a drone, well, be careful because it's a restricted area and a no-fly zone over the mine. So I only stayed over the trail with my drone, just barely over the trees. That's it. So I was not high, I was not over the mine at all, just to get a good view. That's all. This mine started in the 1950s. It was a big deal at that time, and it's still active. So that was the Mine Hill, and now I just have to go back down. So I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click on this one. See you soon.